Organizing my messy fridge. When my husband says he's going to put groceries away. I couldn't take it anymore. Let's fix my fridge.
Just got groceries, let's put them away. All my organizers and everything are linked in my bio. Let's refill this first. I got Izzy. Pomegranate tea. Juice boxes. Okay, fruit cups. I got the value pack this time. These are good till July 31st, so it's a good thing to stock up on. They won't go bad. Put the old one in the front. These are shelf stable, so I just keep the back stock in the pantry. I'm just gonna put these little breakfast things in here. I should have got one more. Milk, coffee creamer, mommy juice, butter, eggs. This pesto is bomb. This I'm trying for the first time. These can go here. Veggie drawer, Caesar salad, baby spinach, cucumbers, cabbage, pre-sliced apples. Yep, I'm willing to pay for that. Couple tomatoes. These I'll keep out in the fruit basket. Bananas, avocados, limon, shallot. Okay, last few things for the fridge. Y'all were asking me about this salmon. It's from H-E-B. It's the garlic butter salmon. Clearly, I'm a garlic girl. Now we gotta play Tetris in the freezer. Just realized I forgot to buy more Uncrustables. Okay, let's see. Stack everything up. Do you really have a 5-year-old if you don't have dino nuggets in your freezer? These are gluten and dairy free and they're super good. Good enough. Pantry items. It's an obsession. Everything has its place. These go in here. Boop. And these go in here. Boop.
Organizing my messy fridge.
Okay, so now you do the first layers kind of like your base layer. And we are going to make a really pretty design. It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house. And they also think that I am a sociopath, that I take the time to do this once a month. But you know what? You say OCD is a disease, I say it's a blessing. And people always ask, do I replace them every time someone eats one? No, I'm not crazy. I'm just organized every 30 days.
Part 2, let's stock the mini fridge. First, I'm filling the mini bottles. Pomegranate juice, I'm probably gonna spill everything. Coconut water. Last 4 with just water. I'm gonna put these on the bottom shelf. Now for the fruit, I'm doing raspberries and blackberries. Baby Bell cheese, Lunchables, and Go-Gurt on the side. I found these snack containers at Target, and I'm just filling them with grapes. I bought 4 more, so I'm just filling them with chocolate. Can't forget Capri Sun, because I'm addicted. I've never had these, so hopefully they're good. Pickle Ricks, these are the best. I found this really cool looking soda. Strawberry applesauce and watermelon hints. Okay, this is so worth it. It's so cute.